Okay, playgroup. Today our activity is about winter. What do we wear to keep us warm? Mubashir?
We wear caps.
Yes, Shahid?
We wear sweater.
Yes, Sudesh?
We wear coat.
Islan? What do you wear to keep you warm? You wear gloves. Show your gloves.
Gloves.
Jalal? What do you wear to keep you warm? Jalal, what do you wear to keep you warm?
Coat.
You wear coat. Very good. To keep you warm. Very good.
Warm.
Now let's start your activity. What you have to do, Mubashir? First you have to color the cape. Color the cape. Start coloring. Start coloring. Abdullah. Winter. What do we wear in winter? What do you wear, Hania? You wear shawl. Yes. Rubaisha, what do you wear to keep you warm? Rubaisha, what do you wear? Huh? To keep you warm, okay? What do you wear, Mahan? Okay, Abdullah, what you wear to keep you warm? You wears? What you wear, Abdullah?
Sweater.
Maham, what do you wear?
That is what?
What do you wear, Maham?
When I wear gloves.
And Eman, what do you wear to keep you warm?
Scarf.
Scarf, okay. And today our activity is about to make a wool cape. What do you make? What are you making? What you will make today?
Wool cap.
Wool cap. What you have to do? You have to first color the cape. And after that you have to paste wool on it. Got it, all of you? So now start coloring. Islal, first you have to color the cape, then you have to paste on cape wool, okay? Okay, what we have to do in winter? We should not eat ice cream, we should not play outside, and we should play indoor games. And we should avoid to drink cold water. What are you making? You are making wool cap. Mafaz, what are you making? Wool cap. Yes, Mariam, what do you wear to keep you warm?
I wear socks. I wear shoes to keep me warm.
Very good. Now do your activity, Mariam. Okay, playgroup. What we have to do in winter? We should not eat ice cream. Monazam. We should not drink cold water. And we should play indoor games. And avoid to go outside in cold. What are you making? You are making snow tree or pine tree.